Today, we're diving into AzCopy, powerful tool for file management in Azure. Let's break it down. AzCopy streamlines file transfers and syncing in Azure, making your cloud operations smoother. AzCopy is a command line utility for copying blobs or files to and from your Azure storage account. The goal of this video is to narrate the Microsoft Learn content, demystify these concepts, add additional information when needed, making concepts easier to comprehend. You can follow along on the Microsoft Learn page. A triangle with MS in the center shows the page number of the Microsoft Learn unit. This video covers the Learning module, Describe Azure Storage. Scan the QR code or click the link in the description to follow along. What does AzCopy do? It copies blobs or files from your storage account, uploads and downloads files. It duplicates files between storage accounts. Using one-way traffic, it synchronizes blobs or files, works with other cloud providers. It syncs with Windows file servers and Azure files. But how does it work? AzCopy uses a one-way synchronization process. First, you have a designated source and destination. Then, AzCopy checks the hashes to ensure the correct file is copied or replaced. Once it validates that, then it copies the files in the direction that it's going. It's special to note that there are no automatic bi-directional syncs based on timestamps or metadata. Some key points. The source is the initial file location, which could be a local directory or an Azure storage. The destination is where the files end up, which also could be Azure storage or a local directory. In the sync process, it checks the last modified times or the hash. It does not support transfers where the source is actively changed. And what's important to know, there's no bidirectional sync. Changes at the destination don't sync back to the source. Flexibility. Option to delete files at destination, not present at the source. Now, we're at ExamPrep. AzCopy is a command line utility tool. AzCopy copies files or blobs to and from a storage account. And AzCopy's one-way sync is perfect for keeping specific files up to date in particular locations without worrying about destination changes affecting the source. And I'd like to thank you for watching.